Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to connect your AirPods Pro 2nd generation to your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our watch by clicking on this digital crown and clicking on this settings icon. After this, scroll down until you will see this Bluetooth tab. Click on it and make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Nice. Now we need to take our headphones and open the case. Also, on the back of the case, you can see this button. We would need to hold it for about 2 seconds until this indicator at the front will turn white and you will hear a chime. Let's do it. Now you'd be able to see this device on the list of available devices on your watch. To pair these headphones with your watch, simply click on the name of these AirPods. And now you can see that they are listed on the list of devices as connected, and you can enjoy your favorite music right from your watch. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.